My name is Navid. I'm a political science major, 4th year. They were asking me to type in an origin address, and then from there try to type in a second address to see like how to get from this route to the next route. I was able to figure out how to type in the first address, but I couldn't really figure out where to type in the second address. The only option it seemed to give me is to drop a marker on the map somewhere. That didn't really make a lot of sense because that'd be like pretty much looking for a second address on the map, which is very time consuming. And maybe I think the problem is that I'm used to another way of finding information, such that what people use is Google, and it's the only way I've ever really been searching. So that's the only way that seems intuitive to me.
Again, what I'm testing is for somebody who hasn't used this service before, just how easy and intuitive it is. So it's not a test of you, it's a test of, the functionality, yeah. Right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an address to start with, and that's going to be the address you're starting from, and then I'm going to give you an address to go to. And I just want you to figure out, or I want you to see what you can figure out about how you mark those and how you find the route.
So I just type it into the Google search box, like it says at the top.
Okay. So why don't you read those instructions out loud? Enter
an address, intersection, or landmark in the Google Play search field, or click the pin icon to select your start and location on the map.
Okay.
And I did right click on the marker. I'm not sure.
So were you trying to close that box there?
I was trying to see what's going to happen once I right click on this marker.
Okay.
I assume that I right click on this marker is going to be like some box is going to pop up. I can type in another address.
Okay.
And then just like be like, oh, this is my go-to destination, or this is my start destination. And then it will by default make the other one the go-to if I meant the other one, if I said this is my start. So, but nothing's popping. So
that's good. Just want to make sure you feel like that is like that you've gotten confirmation that that's where that it's a starting point. All right. So the ending point is 67 Water Street.
Yeah, I don't know where to go from here. Select my trip type. Shortest bike-friendly path. So just right-click on the marker to add as an origin.
Well, isn't that already where it is?
This marker for origin address?
Yeah.
Oh, for your destination. Okay. And where do you want me to end up?
So what are you seeing right now?
Nothing has happened.
Okay.
I don't there's one box for me to type in what you guys wanted me to type in the first time, the 2027 Market Street, and that's in there right now.
Okay.
And now I'm thinking of like, how am I going to add the second address in there?
Okay.
You would think there'd be another box to add the
endpoint destination. So you're not, there's not another box there, and you're expecting there to be another box.
I mean, mainly because I'm used to like Google Maps, so like whenever I type something in, and like it's on the left hand side that gives me like an option to type in another set of address, get another address, and then tells me like, is this where I'm starting? Should I use my current destination, or can I use my current location? And this is where I'm going to, and then I just click like route or something.
Okay.
This only has one box, so that makes it confusing, I think. Yeah, I really don't know what to do.
Yeah, this sucks.
This is what we did.
It doesn't make sense because like it wants me to place a marker, but I don't know why I place a second marker unless it's very, very nearby. So in a world where I want to go maybe like a 10-mile bike drive, and I can't see this on the map, I don't know why I would go like this and place a marker. Like I see an option to find it somehow, but I literally have to find it by looking at a map, and then like move around here, and then find it, and then place my second marker. I don't know if that's even possible.
And it wouldn't be useful.
Yeah, right here.
It wouldn't be useful if you didn't know where.
Here, destination, location. Now this, and then I can, I don't know, somehow do something related to that.
What do you think?
I was just going to say it's 10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
That's 10 minutes. You could have biked to San Francisco by now.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm just happy it's not your website.